Dear friends, today offer you a new job. Watch the video till the end without skipping the video. Notification: Institute of Banking Personnel Selection IBPS last the 23/11/2021. Job in IBPS SO Institute of Banking Personnel Selection IBPS has invited application for the post of 1828 Specialist Officer CRP SPL 11 vacancy on regular basis. Interested and eligible candidates may apply online here. Name of the Recruitment Board: the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection IBPS. Post name: Specialist Officer Cadre, that is IT Officer, Agricultural Field Officer AFO, Rajbhasha Adhikari, Law Officer, HR/Personnel Officer and Marketing Executive, etc. Total post 1828 posts. IBPS Specialist Officer Recruitment 2021. Number 1 IT Officer, Scale 1, number of posts 220. Number 2 Agricultural Field Officer, Scale 1, number of posts 884. Number 3 Rajbhasha Adhikari, Scale 1, number of posts 84. Number 4 Law Officer, Scale 1, number of posts 44. Number of 5 HR/Personnel Officer, Scale 1, number of posts 61. 6 number Marketing Officer, Scale 1, number of posts 535. Eligibility criteria of IBPS Specialist Officer Recruitment: age limit: candidates age must be in between 20 to 30 years. Age relaxation: category wise age relaxation is mentioned at below. SC/ST 5 years, OBC non-familiar 3 years, persons with backmark disability 10 years. Education qualification: IT Officer, Scale 1A, 4-year Engineering/Technology degree in Computer Science/Computer Application/Information Technology/Electronics and Telecommunications/Electronics and Communication/Electronics and Instrumentation, or B post graduate degree in Electronics/Electronics and Telecommunication/Electronics and Communication/Electronics and Instrumentation/Computer Science/Information Technology/Computer Application, or graduate having passed DOE at CC/B level. Agricultural Field Officer, Scale 1, 4-year degree, graduation in Agriculture/Horticulture/Animal Husbandry /Veterinary Science /Dairy Science /Fishery Science /Pisciculture /Agri-Marketing and Cooperation and Banking, Agroforestry /Forestry /Agricultural Biotechnology /Food Science /Agriculture Business Management /Food Technology /Dairy Technology /Agriculture Engineering /Sericulture. Rajbhasha Adhikari, Scale 1, postgraduate degree in Hindi with English as a subject at the degree graduation level, or postgraduate degree in Sanskrit with English and Hindi as subject at the degree graduation level. Law Office Scale 1, a bachelor degree in law LLB and enrollment as an advocate with Bar Council. HR Personnel Officer Scale 1, graduate and 2 years full-time postgraduate degree or 2 years full-time postgraduate diploma in personnel management, industrial relations. Marketing Officer Scale 1, graduate and 2 years full-time MMS Marketing / 2 years full-time MBA Marketing / 2 year full-time PGDBA, PGDBM, PGDM with specialization in marketing. Application fees ST, SC / ST / PWBD 175 inclusive GST, other rupees 850 inclusive of GST. Payment mode only thought by using debit card / credit card / internet banking etc. IBPS SOAR Recruitment 2021 online application form. Many lakhs of unemployed youth from all over India were waiting for the IBPS SOAR notification to 2021 and 22 PDF. Now their wait is over and IBPS SOAR job online form has been released. Candidates who have attained a minimum of 20 years of age can fill the online form before the IBPS SOAR apply online. Last date education qualification is graduation for all trades for applying online for IBPS Specialist Officer Recruitment 2021. The post-wise education qualification has been mentioned below on this web page. Go below and read carefully. If you have any other question about IBPS Specialist Officer vacancy, then comment below in the comment box and let us. We will solve problem as soon possible. How to apply for IBPS Specialist Officer vacancy. Interested and eligible candidates may apply online for this vacancy by visiting official IBPS recruitment portal. Candidates may follow below mentioned step to apply online. Important dates. Starting date for apply online, edit modification of application and fees payment 3/11/2021. Last date to apply online, edit modification of application and fee payment 23 November 2021. Last date for printing your application 23 November 2021. Date of downloading call letter for online preliminary exam December 2021. Date of online preliminary exam 23 December 2021. Date of declaration of result of preliminary exam January 2022. Date of downloading call letter for online main exam January 22. Date of online main exam 30 January 2022. Date of declaration of result of online main exam February 2022. Date of download call letter for interview February 2022. Date of interview February/March 2022. Date of provincial allotment April 2022. I will give you the link to the online application at the description so you can apply. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.